What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Paulybuck, and I sure am glad to have you with me here today. Today, let's talk about the Red Book. What is the Red Book? What can it be used for? What should you be using it for? Are dealers using it, or are they using something different? Let's talk about a few of those things, and I've got a few coins here that we're actually going to show you how to look up in this book and figure out kind of a price value that they can be worth, and maybe what you should be looking for if these are a certain coin that you're after. And remember, this is just going to be a guide. Prices change daily, prices change hourly, nothing is set in stone. This is just a good tool to help you get close to a price that you're looking to pay for, instead of trying to get overpaid, overpaying for something that you're looking for. Now, again, this is just a guide. There's other things you can use to come up with a price point. eBay would be another one. If there's a certain coin you're looking for US coinage, you can look at recent sales. You can type it into eBay search. You can find recent sales, and you can see kind of what they are going for. The gray sheet, as far as for dealers, that's what they use for wholesale pricing. That's kind of what they're going to go off of, and that can be a whole different video. This is just going to be about this Red Book. And also, if you've been handed down possibly a coin collection and you have no clue what you're looking at, this can be a great guide to at least give you somewhat of a value of that coin could be worth. I'm not going to say you're going to walk into a coin shop with that collection and a coin in here says $85, and that coin shop is going to present you with $85 for that coin. Most likely that's not going to happen unless it's something very, very rare. Even then, you're not going to get this book's value unless you have a way to sell it secondary, not through a coin shop. If you go peer-to-peer and someone happens to be looking for that particular coin, you will probably be able to get a little bit more money for it. But in most cases, most people don't have that option to sell peer-to-peer. That's why it's great to have this YouTube community, the Instagram community, Facebook community out there. And a lot of times you meet so many different people with the same interests, and a lot, not all, but a lot, are willing to help you along the way. And especially if you have something to move and they happen to be looking for it. So anyways, this happens to be the 2022 United States Coins Red Book. Now, in this book is going to have mostly everything from old continental coins to somewhat recent American Silver Eagles, gold, clad coins. It's got it all. It's going to have your commemoratives. I have a commemorative right here that we're going to look up. This is, what's this say, 1983. It's a proof from the Olympics, 1983 Olympics. S made the proofs. So we have one of these we're going to look up. I also have a 1996 American Silver Eagle. We can look up the price on that. Also have, what is this little guy here? Mercury dimes. We can look in to see what this particular Mercury dimes value is. Now, a lot of these dimes I have, they are in this shape. So what you're going to get is pretty much just flat rate for these. So what the book says, a lot of it is either very good condition, MS condition, proof condition. So we'll see what this shows this could be at, but I'm telling you, it's probably $2, depending on what. And then I grabbed a piece dollar, 1922. I grabbed a first year Morgan, 1878. And this one happens to be, now this is what was a little bit tricky. I was trying to do beforehand, but let's see if I can get it to come in. This is a first year Carson City. Hopefully you can see that. Let me see if I can get my shakes under control here. Right there. So this is a 1878 Carson City. It's tough to tell on camera. It's got a little bit of toning to it. It's not completely wore down. It's in decent condition. MS condition, no way, no how. I'm not worried about that. I actually bought this coin in Florida at the Coin Guy's shop. Coin Guy, known to most of you who are watching from another YouTube content creator, Spectacular. Go check out his channel. Great content. He's been putting out great content for years and years and years. And that's his coin shop, Spring Hill, Florida. Coin Guy. What a great guy to sit and bullshit with for what seemed like forever. It ended up being 2 hours. And I just grabbed another Morgan here. See if we can get him to focus. What do we got? 1880. And this is just a Philly. So I just want to show you how we can flip through this and get an idea of what some of this stuff's going to be worth. So I marked a few pages up top. In the back of this, to start with, to make things easy, if you have something you're looking for, it has an index. So if you're looking for the American Silver Eagle, you can flip right to the pages. If you're looking for a presidential dollar, you can look up the president and it's going to take you right to the pages. Gold pieces, bullion coins. But it's pretty well marked out as, see, you got post-colonial issues, then colonial issues. Look at, I mean, there's just all kinds of stuff out there in the world that you could come across. And this is a good read at the beginning. It's just the introduction to everything. It's going to give you abbreviations for everything, so on and so forth, especially if you're new. Even if you're seasoned, it's nice to stay freshened up on this stuff. So what I'm going to do is the first page that I have marked is going to be the Merc Dime, which most call the Mercury Dime, is actually the Winged Liberty Head Dime. So those came from 1916 to 1945. Let's give a little tilt and try and get you the best view I can get you. So this particular Merc Dime is a 1926. And you can see the shape it's in. Pretty well flat. You can still make out some of the letters. You can make out the date. Flip it around. All in all, it's a decent coin. I mean, you can make a lot of the stuff out. But 1926. See if we get that to come in. So tough with everything so small. 1926. So, as you can follow the page down, this has no mint mark. Let me grab a pointer. This has no mint mark. So 1926 being right here, they made 32,160,000. At the top, they have it as the first grade G4, meaning good 4. I would say it's below that, but they have that marked at $3. The next grade is going to be very good 8, $3.25. Fine 12, they got it for $3.50. Very fine in a 20, $5, and then so on and so forth. So that's how quick, that's how easy it is to look up your particular coins. Now let's move on. Let's grab the next section I have marked off here, which is going to be the Morgan silver dollars. And again, the Morgan silver dollar started in 1878. And let's make sure we grab the right one. So that's what I have here. I have a first year 1878 Carson City Morgan silver dollar, not in the greatest shape, not in the worst shape. Let's see if I can get a look at it. There you go. So not terrible, but not great. And you can't tell on camera, but it does have a little bit of toning around the rim. There's some, maybe right there you can see. You can see the blue and the purple, greenish looking. Nice old coin. I mean, these coins and their history are just amazing to me. So let's take a look. We're going to be looking for the 1878 Carson City, which we have to turn the page, flip this over, and get you right in here. Back out. So 1878 Carson City is right here at the top with a mintage of 2,212,000. A very fine 20, $125. $150, the next increase, about uncirculated, $240. So mine is going to be somewhere in between here, from what I would tell. So anywhere from $120 to $150 value of that coin. Let's move right on to the next one, since we're in the Morgans, and we have the 1880. Get it to focus. 1880. Not much better condition. A little bit better condition, I would say, but not much better. The breast feathers are a little flatter on this one. Everything you can still read clearly. But anyway, so that's your 1880, and that's going to be a Philadelphia. And we are we up top? Yep, 1880. 12,600,000. It's about a $40 coin. And we can go on to the next now. I'm going to skip the piece dollar, and I'm going to go right to this commemorative. You can get the gist of what I've got going here, but I want to show you also that this does keep track of your commemoratives. Commemorative that I happen to have is from the Olympics. (1983) Los Angeles. This is a proof S-mint mark. It's the discus thrower. $1, United States of America. And that one is going to be here at the bottom of the page. 1983 S discus thrower, silver dollar proof. They made 1,577,025. With the mint packaging, they got a price of $22. Now, one last one I want to go over, and some of you may have this, and we're going to go back to the bullion, Silver Eagles, and what this is going to be the 1996 American Silver Eagle. What's the significance of the 1996 American Silver Eagle? Well, it is the lowest minted American Silver Eagle to date. We have 1996, 3,603,386 eagles. And the condition it is in, uncirculated, not brilliant uncirculated, just uncirculated. It's an $85 price tag. A collector will pay right around that, if not a little more, if they need this to fill a book or if they're trying to fill a tube, anything for this 1996. I can't even remember where I got this. I think I got this from my mother years ago. She put my name in a drawing for something for a bicentennial homecoming. It could have been for the town I'm in, and they happened to choose my name. You know, maybe she gave that to me as a graduation present. I can't remember. I just know that I've had it for a very long time, and I don't plan on getting rid of it whatsoever. So that's the Red Book. If you have any more questions or want to know more about it, please feel free. Leave a comment down below. If you'd like this video, hit that thumbs up. Feel free, subscribe. A lot of watch time I'm getting from non-subscribers. I'm hoping videos like this will get more subscribers to hit that, more viewers to hit that subscribe button, so we can keep growing this channel at the nice pace that I see that it has been growing at. As always, I appreciate all your time. The time you take out of your day to watch these videos is just amazing. I never thought that I'd be able to even make it this far. We're getting very close to 500, and we want to continue to grow. I will see you every Monday night live streams at 9 p.m. Myself, Director of Awesome, on this channel, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Leave me a comment down below. Let's chat a little bit. Thanks, everybody.